Hey everyone, it's Fuad, and in this video I'm going to show you how I clean my bird's cage. Firstly, you want to get rid of the food, the water, as well as the tray. Then you want to get your bird's cage and take it to the bathroom, or wherever you feel like it's going to be okay to get the work done. Now I take my shower head and I gently spray it all over the cage, making sure I avoid the birds. Next, I use an old toothbrush to clean those little poop that are stuck on those steel grids, ensuring that the water spray is still on. This is an important step because although there is a tray underneath the cage, there is no question about the bird's poop getting stuck on the cage. You have to be very careful while cleaning the cage because the birds are often flying around as they're very scared, and keep the shower head at low speed. Once you're done, you don't want to right away put in the food and the tray because the cage is still wet. Right now I've kept them indoors because it's pretty windy out there and they might catch a cold. So I'll just wait for the weather to get a bit more sunny.